The legend recounts that 5 centuries before Christ, La Ciotat was born from the sea. Even if big ships have been built here, they have been scarce in the last few decades. Today, they are back for naval repairs. Since the 16th century, the shipyards of La Ciotat has successively seen the construction of caulkers, sailboats, steamers, tankers and other container ships among some of the most important ones of their times. The mythical slipway, Cal 1, destroyed by the bombings and rebuilt in 1957, was used for construction and launching of some of the most emblematic vessels before being forsaken. Today it is about to reappear as a site of ship repair excellence. A gigantic shiplift will enable some of the biggest luxury yachts to be taken out of the water in optimal conditions.
Our platform will be remarkable for its size, with a total surface of 50,000 square meters, including 10,000 square meters for the service area, plus 40,000 square meters for the boat platform itself. We will also have an additional 200 meters of quays. Once the boat has been hauled out by the shiplift, it can be moved on the platform through a rail system, and each boat will be serviced by all the facilities needed for a refit, including, of course, electricity, fresh water, high-speed internet, and wastewater management. Having private money involved in the project does not mean at all a privatization of the equipment. On the contrary, all the quays, the shiplift, plus a significant amount of the platform will stay under public management, which means that it will stay available for any operator on the market for the benefit of the local community.
From ground to sea, from sea to ground, from building to maintenance, from repairing to relooking, again and always ships.
Je suis très fier, très fier que la Ciotat retrouve bien ses lettres de noblesse dans l'industrie maritime, notamment dans le yachting. Et donc avec ce 4000 tonnes, nous allons nous trouver dans un pôle d'excellence pour le présent et pour l'avenir, grâce à nos partenaires du département, de la métropole et de la région, que je remercie vivement de nous accompagner dans notre réindustrialisation.
An evolution which perpetuates the original tradition of the site. A link between past and present, a bridge towards the rebirth of an ancestral know-how, combining excellence and avant-garde for the future.